The PlumeSafe X5 is CONMED's brand new state-of-the-art surgical smoke evacuator. In this video, we'll be going through the key features and benefits of this unit to help you sell into your accounts. Starting with the front panel of the PX5. On the bottom right hand side, you have your power on button. Once pressed, it will illuminate green. The unit will then run through a self-diagnostic test. On the right hand side of the screen, you'll have your three modes of operation. The first being the open tubing mode, the middle, pencil mode, and at the bottom, you have your laparoscopic mode. On the left hand side of the unit, you have your motor speed. This can be increased or decreased in 10% increments. For the final buttons on the front panel, the first is your occlusion alarm, which is on the top right hand side of the panel. To activate the occlusion alarm, press the symbol to which it will illuminate. To deactivate, press again and it will no longer be illuminated. The second is your extended evacuation time stopwatch. Click the stopwatch to which it will illuminate green. You can increase your evacuation time in seconds all the way up to 10 seconds or a minimum of 1 second. The extension is an additive when used with the CONMED EZ-Link devices. Lastly is your service light indicator, which will illuminate here when a service is due. The unit does arrive with a 1-year warranty. The PX5 filter has a variable filter life. Starting with the open tubing mode, you have 18 hours worth of life. Pencil mode has 25 hours worth of life. And then laparoscopic mode has 35 hours worth of life. The unit does have a built-in filter life tracker, which is illuminated at the bottom of the screen. This will naturally drop as the filter is used. Moving to the filter itself, you have two 22mm ports which will accommodate most smoke pencils and open tubing. You also have a 9.5mm port here which will accommodate smaller size tubings. At the bottom left hand side of the screen, you can see that the filter is indicating that it needs to be replaced. To replace the filter, grab a new filter and insert into the housing. CONMED have introduced a magnetic latch to allow for one-handed insertion of the filter. Like so. PX5 filter is the first of its kind 5-stage ultra filter, which will remove particles as small as 0.01 microns, and it will do so at 99.9997% efficiency. At the rear of the unit, you have three different ports. First is your power receptacle. Please use the cable provided with the unit and only plug into a medical grade outlet. The next is your automatic activation port. This will be for use with the EZ-Link and or the direct connect cable. This simply inserts like so. Lastly, you have your foot switch, which can be plugged into this receptacle. This allows for hands-free operation should a automatic activation device not be in use. Thank you for watching this brief introduction to the PX5, CONMED's new state-of-the-art surgical smoke evacuation unit. I really hope you found this video useful in promoting the unit to your local markets.